write a PHP program to display a digital clock which display the current time of the server. Let us assume my system itself is the server now. So now what I will be doing here, I need to write a simple code for this. This is your 7th lab program. Nodi eshtu doddagide program. See, we all know that echo is used for printing something in the PHP. So this is a combination of HTML and PHP. But remember, you need to store this program with the .php extension only. You need to store this program with the .php extension. Say we have HTML body. I will come to this line later. We have a PHP part here. So opening tag, question mark PHP, ending tag, question mark. Say I want to display the date and time. For this, we have a inbuilt function called date in PHP. If I want to use this date as an inbuilt function, remember date is an inbuilt function in the PHP. So if I want to use this, first I need to set the time zone. For that I have one more inbuilt function, date underscore default underscore time zone underscore set. You should write it exactly like this. Small letters. Date default time zone set. And inside this you need to write Asia/Kolkata. A capital, K capital. So you have set the time zone as Kolkata. Usually we take Kolkata as a reference for Indian time zone. So I set it as Asia/Kolkata. So this is your time zone. Now the time is, you are printing this. As I told, this is a concatenation operator, dot. It will print the value of this. If you pass HISA as a value, it will print hour, minute and second. Idun parameter kalsudre. It will print hour, minute and second. If you pass DMY as a value to this date function, it will display day, month and year. So now this will be printing the time is BR. BR means break line. So two new lines will be inserted. Again, the date is, it will print the date. This is the time, this is the date. This is the PHP part. Now how it will be replaced? So the server will execute and convert it into .html format and send it to you when this is executed. And remember, they are asking in the question, it should be like a digital clock. It should display the current time. The current time should keep on updated. For that, we are adding this line through, we are informing the browser through a meta tag refresh for every 1 second. So content is 1 here. So you refresh the page, HTTP equivalent, HTTP page for every 1 second. For this refresh, 1 second is the parameter. Refresh this page for every 1 second. This is your simple lab program and example for your PHP. Is this easy? This program is easy.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We'll execute this program. So for this, if you are using Windows, please install the XAMPP. So now you need to install XAMPP by going to this XAMPP download. You search for this. So here they have given so many versions. So for Windows, so here I have a 64-bit system. So I will be taking a latest version of it. So click on this download 64-bit version. it will download one installer file. Anyway, let me download it and show it to you. So it will download one simple installer a file. So you need .exe file. You need to just double click on it. Once it is downloaded, just double click. Then it will ask for you to press next, next, all those things. Then finish. So that's all. You can install it on your system. Then it will create a control panel for it. So it will be there in your system, XAMPP control panel. So once installed, it will appear in your system. So you just open the XAMPP control panel, search for XAMPP control panel and open it. So you'll get something like this. So in order to make this as a server, in order to execute any PHP file, we need to make the system as a web server. So for that, we have installed this XAMPP. So this is it has the package that is Apache, MySQL, and PHP is there now in this. I will be turning on or starting the Apache web service in this system. So now Apache web service is started here. If you want a database connectivity, you need to start MySQL also. So it should be turned to the green color and ensure that these two are started. Now here there will be something called Explorer. Click on this Explorer. So all these steps are given in the PPT. Already I have shared this PPT before your internals. So you'll get a folder like this. Here there will be something called HD docs. Open this HD docs. So now you can create a file here like this and store it with .pht extension. See here 7.php is there. It is created and stored. Now how to execute this? In the browser, you call like this. Type localhost slash the file name 7.php. Localhost slash the file name 7.php. When you call this, see here, this is the file. The time is 1, 2, 3. 1 o'clock, 2 minutes, 8 seconds now. The date is 12/11/20. The date is 12/11/20. And as we have given the refresh time as 1, for every second it is refreshing, and you can see the updated type here.